Touch my hand.
Oh my! Look at this guy. You
cold.
you are
I'm going
a
to
brave
take his
man.
word for it. It is warmer in here.
It's
no
much
question.
warmer inside, no doubt. And we're expecting, as I said, dropping temperatures and a little bit more rain. That could lead to some icy conditions. Take a look at what we're expecting. Again, this winter storm threat is that after midnight, we'll see a mix of rain, sleet, and snow. Won't last very long, but whatever does fall, if it doesn't dry up by the winds, it could lead to some icy conditions on roads and bridges. I don't expect any accumulation, but don't be surprised if you wake up to a dusting on lawns, roofs, and perhaps the top of your car when you park it outside. Take a live look out in T-Town, Tuscaloosa. Nothing falling there just yet, but boy, you can see that camera is shaking. That's an indication of the wind that's out there. We're seeing wind gusts right now anywhere from 15 to 20 to 25 miles an hour, and that is going to add to a wind chill. We could be looking at teen wind chills by the morning. Let's take a look at Titan 3D radar because it's showing that we're still seeing some light to moderate rain pushing off to the east, Raglan over toward Anniston, Aniana back down toward Columbiana. Most of this is fairly light, and it is just rain. However, off to the west, I'm tracking what looks to be a mix of rain and snow coming out of Mississippi. That's indicated by the little white splotch that you see here and one that you see here just north of Hamilton heading up toward Huntsville. So what's happening is, what's coming out of the clouds is snow. It's encountering warmer air underneath it, and that's what helps it to melt and fall as rain. However, as it continues to fall, it cools the air underneath it, so it makes it less warm. And some of what's falling won't melt and will fall as sleet, and it possibly could all turn over to snow as the entire atmosphere and the ground gets down to close to the freezing mark. So how will that play out? Our exclusive TitanCast computer model runs 4 times a day. Here's the most recent run of that model, and it shows this area pink, which is a combination of that sleet snow mix. The white indicates snow, so we could see some of that by 11:30 up around near Arley, Jasper over toward Fayette, and over by T-Town could see a sleet snow mix. Then it will push toward Birmingham after midnight, and then this model run doesn't have as much painted on here as the last time. It kind of fizzles out as it moves off into East Alabama. But remember, whatever does fall, if it doesn't evaporate, it could ice up because temperatures are plummeting. And by plummeting, I mean they're dropping very, 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 very quickly. Take a look right now. It's 39 here in Birmingham, 36 Cullman, 35 Hamilton. So everybody is above freezing. That's good as long as we stay that way. And take a look at what's happening when you factor in those winds I talked about. It feels like it's in the mid to upper 20s. And boy, when you look at how cold it's going to get, the freeze line crosses town just after 2 in the morning. And by early tomorrow morning, we'll be waking up to temperatures in the 20s. So again, whatever falls that doesn't evaporate may ice up and cause those problems on the roadway. So we're looking at a forecast for tomorrow showing that after that icy morning start with those patches of ice in the morning, we'll see a sunny but slow thaw. Temperatures climb to 38 in the afternoon, 38, so we'll stay well below normal for this time of year. I rate the next day's weather from 1 to 10. It's called the Norman number. Tomorrow, up to a 5. Today was a 3, so a 5 is a lot better just because we'll have the sunshine out. Very cold for Thanksgiving, 22 in the morning, only 44 for a high. Friday looks good for Black Friday shoppers, although it will be cold in the morning as you battle it out to get those bargains on Saturday. Iron Bowl weather looks pretty good, warming up into the mid-50s, but it will be chilly for tailgating and at the end of the game. And don't forget tomorrow night, the first night of Hanukkah. So get set for the cold, and don't forget to check in with Mark Prater and the Wake Up Alabama crew first thing in the morning, because they will keep you updated on what's going on with those roads.
Yes. Just be very careful in the morning.
Yes.
Assess the situation as far as the ice goes. All right.